Hello butterflies, how are you? So today we are going to do an interesting activity, that is flameless cooking. Yes, we are going to do flameless cooking. So the resources we need: some slices of banana, some choco chips, strawberries, and some gems. Okay, go and get your resources. I'm waiting. Now let's begin. Take a plate and put slices of banana on it like this. I'm showing you. Yes, like this. Okay. Now we are going to take a strawberry and we have to cut its bottom part. Cut its bottom part and cut that part into half, and it will look like this. Okay, now take the strawberry and put it on the top of the banana for his hat. Okay, now his hat. We did it. After this, we are going to take some choco chips for his eyes. Okay. Place them on the slice of banana. Yes, his eyes are ready. And for his nose, we are going to take an orange gem. Okay, we are going to take orange color gem and place it over here. Look, his nose is also ready. Now take some choco chips for his buttons. You can also use raisins. Now place choco chips on the second slice of banana like this. Very well done, everybody. Okay. Look here. Wow, my snowman is looking so nice. Now we will take a green color gem for his hat. Now, ta-da! My snowman is ready. Show me yours. Very well done, everybody. So you enjoyed it? Okay. Thank you.